Hey Jeremy, I think it's leaking some radiator fluid. Yep, it is. How?
What's up, guys?
Yeah, what's going on, everybody?
It's the Weed Man.
And Jeremy. Now, we're back to another Weeds Garage vlog. We thank you guys for checking out the videos. This week we were kind of hit and miss on videos. One, it was cold and we haven't got the heater for the shop. That's coming December 2nd. I believe I may have mentioned it in the last video. The other thing is we were looking for engines for the Accord build. We looked and asked questions and we talked about the B18, the K Series, H, J, all of them. And while we are extremely interested in doing a swap in this, preferably an H swap or a J swap is what we would like to do. But budget doesn't call for it right now.
Yeah, so we're gonna keep this engine. We're gonna pull it out and fix it. Still gonna run 14s on it.
Exactly. Our goal is still to run faster than the WRX did the first time we take it to the track.
Yep.
And our goal is to hit 14s. And that actually brings up something very interesting that we wanted to mention in this video. Once this car runs 14s, we're gonna be giving it away. And we're gonna be giving it away to one of you lucky viewers. We're gonna have a whole sweepstakes, and you buy some stuff in our shop. Every dollar you spend, you get an entry into the drawing. And then same thing with our Patreon. Down below we have a link to our Patreon. And if you are at the first level tier, which is only $1 a month, then you get 1 entry per month up until the giveaway. If you're at the $3 tier, you get 3 entries per month. And if you're at the $25 tier, you get 25 entries per month. And that's per month to the giveaway. So for instance, if you went ahead and started the $25 tier right now, and we gave this away in April, now you're 5 months into it, you actually will have, at the $25 level, 125 entries into the giveaway. Now what this does is a few things. It helps us have money to do the build on the car and to go ahead and do the extra things that it's going to need to do. Right now it has the F23A1 engine in it. One thing we like about this is nobody's built it.
Well, people have, but not many.
Yes, it's not a common build, exactly. It being not a common build, we feel that this will be interesting for you guys, as well as interesting for us. And we'll see, if not see it, but I know that we can hit our goals. Now, there might be some more additions to this contest. For instance, if we do get any sponsors on board, then those sponsors will then, if you make any purchases on their sites, you will then be able to get entries that way as well. So there might be some sponsors that come on board, but for right now, we're doing this without sponsors. We're doing this with you guys. Again, there's a link for our Patreon down below. First link, if you want to click on it, decide which tier you want to do. You're going to start getting entries as well as shout outs and videos or mentioned in the credits of videos. It really just depends on what you choose. But you're always going to get exclusive content and you're going to get content early. So check that out if you're interested in supporting the channel in a different way and supporting this build. This build.
1998 Honda Accord DX.
It's the coupe too. I like the body style. We actually saw a coupe that was a V6 driving down the street yesterday.
We got a new member to the shop too.
Yeah, that's a J30. And Marco, you guys have seen Marco in the videos. We posted one where you guys did a quick meet with him. And here in this future videos, we're going to be introducing him. I guess he's
Today, maybe.
in today's new video or whatnot. But I know that he's got a new vehicle.
Yeah, yep.
We don't know what yet because he hasn't bought it yet, but he knows he's getting a new vehicle. So there's going to be another project that Marco's working on that we're going to be bringing you content for as well. Now we will be helping each other with the different projects. So if they need an extra hand, there's an extra hand. But this is going to be able to bring you continuous content with the Accord build as well as with the build that Marco's going to get. Not to mention the videos we're going to be doing with the Subaru, getting it ready for racing, time attack for SCCA coming up in February or March. We did pre-register for the first February race, although I've been thinking and we're probably going to push the first race off to March, maybe April. That way it gives us some more time to really get established here in the garage, as well as do some upgrades to the WRX that I want to do. I don't necessarily want to race first time in sport class. I'd rather be a little bit higher and be in the tuner class where we can do a little bit more to the car before we go out there and run it.
I thought we were tuner class because it already has a turbo.
You know, we can do sport class as long as we keep the stock turbo, but in sport class, you also cannot the suspension or anything. You can't have adjustable. And we want to put adjustable. We don't want to put 2 sets of suspension on, non-adjustable, and then after 4 races, turn around and go to fully adjustable. I'd rather go to fully adjustable, which if we do that, that just automatically puts us in the tuner category. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be bringing you these different videos. We're excited about it. We're excited about moving forward on this build. We don't want to be held up on the vlog any longer. We want to be pumping out content constantly and having updates and having stuff moving. We figured that the money that we would spend on a swap, just getting the engine and transmission and everything, we could actually put that into this engine, have it running very good, do 14s, who knows, maybe even 13s. It's going to be a better use of our budget if we go ahead and do it. If you guys want to help make this better, then go ahead and click that Patreon link down below. If you've not subscribed to this channel and you want to see this build, you want to see the WRX build, smash that subscribe button down below. Also click on the bell if you want to receive notifications when we go live or when we upload new content. Give this video a like and then go ahead and help us with the YouTube algorithm so we can get seen by more people. And if you want to give us your input on the build, we always love to hear from you. We read every comment and we reply to every comment. So go ahead and comment down below and let us know what you would like to see on this build. So any parts that you take out of your vehicle that are still working, like this AC unit, or maybe you're gonna opt to take power steering out, somebody may need that part. Facebook Marketplace is an amazing place not only to find things that you need, parts that you need, things that you may need for your shop or your house. It is a great place to go ahead and get rid of the stuff that you no longer need. People can rate the buyer and the seller. It's a great place. You also have Craigslist and you also have eBay. So don't just throw those parts away. Fund your build by selling the stuff that you no longer need. Yeah. So before we go, we want to go ahead and show you a few more things that we have going on here in the shop that you're going to be seeing as well. So it's not just going to be this build. We now have a fender roller. We now have an oven. Now, yes, this is a basic oven, but this is going to be our powder coating oven to start. Reason for this, the powder coating gun is on the way. We started with a small Eastwood powder coating gun just so we can start doing small pieces. It works perfect for that. We are going to upgrade as we upgrade with the oven, because it doesn't matter if we have a gun in a setup that is big enough to do a whole frame of a car. If we do not have an oven to put the frame in, it is useless. You're going to see some powder coating on the channel. You're going to see some fender rolling on the channel. It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. It's not going to be just the builds on these cars. We're going to keep it interesting. Now that we've got new tools, now that we've got the heater coming in, now that we've got a couple of projects, another hand, we're going to be able to keep consistent, continuous content that is great flowing your way. Another reason to smash that subscribe button down below. That's all for today's video. I want to thank you very much for checking it out. Again, share this with a car person that you know or somebody who you feel will like this channel, and go ahead and give it a like. Share your thoughts. We'll talk to you later. Peace.
Later.